What's the meaning of copulation? Copulation. Copulation.
Copulation. Copulation. Copulation refers to the sexual union of two organisms for the purpose of reproduction. During copulation, the male's reproductive organ, typically a penis, enters the female's reproductive tract, and sperm are deposited into the female's body. If fertilization occurs, the female's egg will combine with a sperm cell, resulting in the creation of a zygote, which will eventually develop into an embryo. Ultimately, copulation is the means by which many sexually reproducing species are able to produce offspring and continue their genetic lineage.